Hey there, curious minds! Ever wondered how your favorite Oreo cream biscuits are made? Let's dive into the delicious world inside the Oreo factory. First up, it all begins with the dough. High-quality wheat flour, sugar, and cocoa are mixed together in giant mixers. The mixture is then kneaded until it forms the perfect dough consistency. Think about it. This is where the magic starts. Next, the dough is rolled out into thin sheets. These sheets are then stamped into that familiar Oreo shape using special molds. Each biscuit gets its iconic design right here. Fascinating, isn't it? Now, these perfectly shaped biscuits go into the oven. They are baked at just the right temperature to achieve that perfect crunch we all love. Imagine rows and rows of Oreos coming out of the oven, golden and crispy. Let's not forget the creamy filling. A special blend of ingredients creates that smooth, sweet cream. This cream is piped onto the biscuits with pinpoint accuracy. One top, one bottom, and a perfect dollop of cream in between. It's like a dance of precision and taste. The next step, sandwiching. The biscuits are carefully pressed together, making sure the cream stays right in the center. And voila! An Oreo is born. These freshly made Oreos then travel on conveyor belts to the packaging area. Here, they are counted and packed into those familiar blue wrappers. Each pack is sealed to keep the cookies fresh and tasty until they reach your hands. Finally, the packed Oreos are boxed and shipped out to stores worldwide. So, the next time you're enjoying this delightful treat, you'll know just how much love and precision goes into every single biscuit. Isn't it amazing to see the journey of an Oreo? From a simple dough mix to that satisfying crunch in your mouth? Keep exploring, stay curious, and until next time, happy snacking.